Okay, I love the layout of our fridge, but the only thing it's missing is a little drawer for like cheese or, something in the middle here to fill up a little bit more space. Because when you only have shelf space, it just feels like you don't get a lot of actual storage. So I got this shelf here to kind of give you a whole nother layer to stack stuff. As you can see, it's loaded with a bunch of stuff, but it just adds like so much more room to this overall middle shelf here. You can see there's so much stuff in the back here, but you can't put any tall things here, which you don't really need to. I got, containers that I can put here, but then I can fill a bunch of stuff here, and it's basically like gaining another half shelf. So really just added to the volume of what I can put in this messy fridge, but really needed it with the current layout, and I'm super happy with how much value the shelf provides.